Hey, what's up everybody? It's Michael here at Byerly with another product of the week. With all the electronic systems in today's RVs, an electrical surge can cause massive damage, which in turn can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. That's why we always recommend using a surge protector whenever and wherever you hook up to a power source. Surge protectors from Progressive Industries are portable, lightweight, and compact for easy storage. Designed specifically for RV use, these surge protectors not only protect you from incoming electrical surges, they also monitor for open ground, open neutral, and reverse polarity at the power pedestal. The surge protectors are equipped with a bright, easy to read 3 LED indicator, are thermally protected, and are built tough for weather resistance. The surge protectors are made here in America and come with a limited lifetime warranty from Progressive Industries. Available in both a 30 and 50 amp model, the Smart Surge Protector will be 25% off April 30th through May 6th in store and online. Links to both products can be found below in the video description. Be on the lookout next week when we take a look at the UltraFab 3,500 pound power tongue jack. To stay up to date on all our latest videos, including these products of the week, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on any upcoming events, promotions, and news.